Well, hey everybody, it's me, Gary. It's Saturday night, and I believe it is the 15th of August, 2020. And I just wanted to say, hey, so last video I told you guys that part of getting ready for the parks and everything is, working on my weight loss and all that. Well, I'm not gonna lie. Since then, I mean, I know it's only been a day or so. Off to a little rocky start. Um, my steps are up, so that's good. My water is up, so that's good. But I had some in-between meal snacks, so got to work on that. But we're only beginning, so I just wanted to fess up to that right away. I'm hoping you all had a great day today, and I'm hoping yesterday was a good day for you. Things for me are going pretty well. Got some changes coming up in my life on the work front and stuff. Still staying where I'm at and everything, but I'll fill you in more about that later. It's just ever changing, ever evolving kind of thing. The entertainment business in a theme park. It never ceases to throw new things at you. I know I'm being really cryptic, but just not ready. I'm ready to tell you I got good stuff going on that I'm excited about. I'm just not ready to tell you what all that is yet. So I look forward to that. Had a good idea thrown at me today, so for the vlog. So I'm thinking maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'm gonna film some content in a specific topic, and we're gonna get out and maybe do a little traveling, just a little bit. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so I don't really, like I say, I always like to come on here. I don't have a script. I don't do that. I'm hoping that more and more people are starting to think about, whether they're ready to take a trip yet, whether you're ready to take a vacation yet. I'm seeing a lot of good things coming out of, some of our, well, let's just say out of the vacation spots that I normally talk about and what I normally like to book for myself. I like to book for friends. Out of the Disney parks, I didn't even think about it. Did y'all know that Disneyland Paris reopened? That's kind of got very little airplay. I'll go back. I'll be honest with you. I should be able in a blog tell you when exactly it did open. I just found out about it though, so I'm going to go back and check on all that. I know that Disney's getting right back in the Walt Disney World Resort, Disneyland Paris, Disneyland. They're all getting right back into continuing on with a lot of those construction projects. Oh, I doubt you can hear that. Sounds like we've got fireworks going on outside the apartment. Yeah, it seems like things are picking up again. At Epcot, the Mary Poppins attraction has been put on hold, I believe indefinitely at the moment. We're still fortunate enough to have Spaceship Earth running. However, we're not so fortunate as the upgrade is on hold for a while. But we still have the current version to enjoy. The restaurant was a Spaceship 220. It still has not opened yet. I don't know if it has an opening date just yet. It still has to finish up. I've heard rumors that the new at Epcot, the new kind of like visitor center, special event center, maybe that's going to change some from the original design. What it was a two-story structure over where the fountain was right now by Spaceship Earth, and it had a whole park on top of it, which would look really cool, and I was really excited. But it looks like that might be on hold. Maybe that current design actually might get reevaluated or re-engineered. So there's that. More specifics for me to come on that. But if you look at, if you go to let's see, Resort TV 1, Michael K, Mickey Views, those YouTube channels all have little segments on the projects at Epcot. Let's see, what else? I don't know, I just kind of wanted to come on and, have a fireside chat, even though I don't have a fireplace or anything with you. So more things coming up. Still on track for the trip. I'm very excited. I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did though, that I've got a pirate water view room at the Caribbean Beach, or Caribbean Beach, depending on how you like to pronounce it. So I'm very excited about that. I'll try to put some pictures up here soon in the next week or two of what that will look like. Disney's got quite a few, of shots of all that. I'm very excited to get down to Disney Springs again too. I really enjoy that place. Yeah, some people say, Gary, it's like a big outlet mall or something. Yeah, it is, but it's just the whole vibe is different. I really enjoy. I just enjoy the atmosphere. I don't want to keep chattering and filling up this vlog with going on and on about something, but I really enjoy it. What else am I excited about? Lots of changes going on in Animal Kingdom. And there's a lot of changes going on all over the Walt Disney World Resort that, I'll be honest, are affecting my friends. The lack of entertainment is really affecting my friends all over the resort. And it's, of course, affecting the resort as well. I don't know. I'm really excited to get down there on October 6th and experience everything firsthand. So I'm not like I am now sitting here talking about things I've read or things I've seen, but at that time we'll be talking about things I've done. And I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but it'd be kind of nice, maybe, back in my room at the end of each day we can do a little something. I don't know. What else is going on? If any of you check out my Instagram, Traveling with Gary on Instagram, you'll see I keep referring to the job site. I've got a Lego build going on of Cinderella's castle that I'm very happy with. A little secret about Gary: Gary deals with arthritis, in addition to being a big person. So I enjoy working with the Legos because it keeps the muscles going and everything like that. So, anyway, I want to thank you guys. Since the last video, we've picked up in our community here on the channel. I was at 60, whopping 62 members, which is great. I'm loving that. 62, we're now to 69. So all of those of you that have joined, I want to thank you so much, so much. And everybody that's given me a thumbs up on videos, I really appreciate that. If you're first time watching this and you like what you're seeing, or maybe you don't like this video but you like the others, either way, I would really appreciate if you wanted to subscribe to the channel. because that's going to allow me to do more things. The more subscribers I have, the more things YouTube allows. And then if you really like the video, give me a thumbs up. And honestly, I prefer all feedback. So if maybe you don't care for it, give me a thumbs down. But either way, it lets me know you're watching. And yeah, I think that's about it. I just wanted to come on for tonight and say thank you. Let you guys know that I was thinking about you. Soon we're going to start with things that we can do to get ready for the trip. Oh yeah, hold on. I do have one thing. You know, I'm not going to even edit this out. So over here, you can't see me right now. But, hi everybody, I'm back. This came in the mail today. So this could conceivably be my first Disney unboxing. Came to me from Experience Connection Center in Davenport, Florida. And let's see what it is. Actually, I think I know what it is. And I bet you people that go often will know what it is too. Oh yeah. Look, it's really happening. It's my magic band. I got my magic band. And let's see. I kind of forget which magic band I put in for. So let's take a look. Oh yeah. Okay. So it looks dark. I think you can see that. And then on this side, it says Magic Kingdom. Happily ever after. Yeah, there it is. And we let the story come alive. And there's Tinkerbell right there. So this is going to be the next, this is the next magic band for the next trip. So I'm very excited about that. So, yeah, we'll just put that back in here. So how about that? Hadn't planned on that. And so that was my first unboxing, you know, of a Disney. Does that qualify as magic mail? You'll have to let me know. Anyway, that's about it. Another item that came, I won't get up and show it to you now, but I'm very excited. I got a new Columbia raincoat that you'll be seeing in the vlogs now. It's been a little damp around here lately, and I'm very excited to have that new Columbia raincoat. Yeah, so I think that is about it for this evening. And I really appreciate all of you, and I want to thank you for supporting this channel. And have a look at the Instagram, and I'm also I'm traveling with Gary on Instagram. I'm traveling with Gary on Twitter. I am traveling with Gary on YouTube. However, on Facebook, I'm Disney Travels with Gary. And I'm still working on that, because I've expanded beyond that, but having a little trouble changing the name and yet keeping all the content on that page. So I've I've got emails off to Facebook to see if we can fix that. So, but anyway, oh, and I still have the website out there too. So travelingwithgary.com, that will get you to pretty much everything. So again, follow your hopes, follow your dreams, and I hope your dreams, of course, lead you to your happy place. All right, with that, have a great night, guys. Bye-bye.